Good evening. This is Donald again, dealers of good quality roofing tiles. Okay, this is just a quick one about installation of roof. Installation. Normally I believe that most of you know that we don't measurement of roof, measurement. Yeah. Most of you know that we don't measure outside the boundaries of Lagos State. Yes. We don't measure outside the boundaries of Lagos State. We measure only within Lagos State. Please pardon my voice. I lost my voice. Yeah. So measure within Lagos State. Yes. But if your site happens to be outside the boundaries of Lagos State, we can still measure for you, but you have to pay the transportation cost of the labor who is going to come to your project, measure to and fro. So you see, it's not like we don't measure outside other states. We can still send somebody to come take your measurements. From Lagos, the person comes all the way to your site. But you pay for the transportation charges. But if your site is in Lagos State, we don't mind. So long as we know that you're serious, you sound serious and you really need a measurement, not like you want to waste our precious time. Because some customers just bring it to the site, waste your time. At the end of the day, they just tell the installer to go. You never hear from them again. We don't pray to have such customers. But if you know that, oh, fine, you really want us to measure because you intend to give us the job. You understand? We measure with the intent of getting the job. So if you know you intend to give us the job, then you call us. We send somebody to come take your measurements. But if you're outside Lagos, you will pay for the transportation. That is why we always say that we only measure within Lagos. Why? Because customers don't like paying for transportation, for measurement. Customers naturally don't like paying for that transportation cost. Yes, if your site is in Lagos, no problem. We're not going to burden you with that transportation issue. But if it's outside Lagos, you definitely would pay for the transportation that the installer will take to come to your site and go back. This is very, very simple. So I remain my humble self, Mr. Donald of Docherich Nigeria Limited. We deal on good quality stone-coated roofing shade with 50 years warranty. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Malinga soon too.